Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the Sony Xperia One, a smartphone that perfectly combines elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology. From its sleek design to its impressive display, this phone promises a premium experience for both everyday users and tech enthusiasts. Starting with the design, the Sony Xperia One is a masterpiece. Its slim profile, smooth glass back, and premium aluminum frame give it a sophisticated look. The phone feels sturdy in hand, yet lightweight, making it comfortable for long usage. Its minimalist aesthetic is paired with a near bezel-less display, giving it a modern and classy appearance. Speaking of the display, the Sony Xperia One features a stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED screen. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the viewing angles are excellent. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or gaming, this display brings every detail to life. Sony's cinema-wide technology takes mobile viewing to the next level, offering an immersive experience that rivals professional monitors. Performance-wise, the Xperia One is powered by the latest flagship Snapdragon processor, paired with ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Apps launch instantly, gaming feels fluid, and heavy tasks are handled effortlessly. Storage options are generous, and for those who love capturing moments, the triple-lens camera setup delivers stunning results. With advanced features like real-time eye autofocus and excellent low-light capabilities, your photography game will be on point. Battery life is solid, easily lasting a full day with moderate to heavy use. Plus, fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. For audio lovers, the Xperia One offers stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, providing clear and immersive sound for music, movies, and games. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia One is not just a smartphone, it's a complete multimedia powerhouse. From its elegant design and vibrant 4K display to powerful performance and professional-grade cameras, this phone stands out in the premium segment. If you're looking for a device that delivers style, performance, and an unmatched viewing experience, the Sony Xperia One is worth every penny. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more detailed reviews and the latest tech updates.